I'm Dudley Severs. This is my wife, Joy. I put some FBI sheds at another farm locations, and this was my idea of putting up a house with the FBI.
Enjoyed working with the people. It was very easy to work with the salesmen and the builders, yes. We knew what we did and didn't want since we designed the first home, and knew that being all on one level was going to take care of a lot of problems.
The garage is about 900 square feet, able to put any vehicle that we need to put in, even our Ferguson tractor.
We had a home that had a small pantry, so I didn't want to have as many cabinets as I had at the other place, so we said we'd just go ahead, put a pantry in, and it needed to be big enough to hold your baking dishes, your canning stuff, all your food easily accessible, and it's just so handy to have a pantry, and just love the pantry.
3-bedroom. Right now we're just using 2. We made the big bedroom so in case someone had to come and stay, we was able to do that.
He wanted double doors in the front, so for wheelchair accessible, we made that like that. The whole house is accessible for wheelchairs, hand bars, and all of that too.
Put a basement in it, and also put an elevator in the basement so we could go up and down without going down steps. It has the radiant heat, and very comfortable with the air system, and also the heating system. We decided we wanted a front porch, so we wanted it approximately 10 feet out from the building. She likes a lot of flowers, and she makes it very nice.
We really enjoy it.
Yes, we do.
It is so cool. Come out here at night, in the evening, listen to the windmills, watch the windmills, and we can turn the porch lights on if we want to, or we can sit out here without them, so that makes it cool too.
Well, it's maintenance free, and we just think it's a thing for the future.
If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.